Meaning of dunce cap.
Dunce cap.
Dunce cap.
Dunce cap.
Dunce cap. A dunce cap is a pointed hat that historically was used as a punishment for students who were considered slow or lazy in their studies. The cap was intended to embarrass the student and encourage them to improve their academic performance. The hat is usually made of paper or cardboard, and features a conical shape with a tassel hanging from the tip. While the practice of using dunce caps has largely fallen out of favor in modern education systems due to its potential to shame students, the term is still used colloquially to describe someone who is perceived as foolish or incompetent.